Hi, my name is Gil Poolsma. Pimps. It's like a job requirement. First, they gotta be ugly as cat shit. Second, they all got themselves convinced that they're God's gift to womankind. Okay, so most guys fit that bill. But on top of that, they got this smell about them. And I call it moral rot. You can actually smell the putrid way they think wafting off of them like rotten flesh. I mean, they honestly think they're helping these girls, but actually, they're enslaving them. If not with drugs, with fear. And they reek of it. I mean, if they really wanted to help these girls, they'd do like Joey suggests. Put them through beauty school. Secretary school. Something respectable, you know? But pimps? This pimp mentality. What they do? They take pot shots at my family through my fucking front window. Thank you.